Universities own and manage a ton of assets. It is quite confusing and complicated to locate, track, maintain, and manage them. Assets play pivotal roles in upholding the ecosystem of the university. A university is shaped like a mini township, as they own all assets a township usually has. Streamlining and maintaining these assets become complex as they are spread out on a vast scale. That's where UCAMMS takes the spotlight. UCAMMS, a visionary product developed by Adyapragnya Technologies, provides a trustworthy platform for universities to audit, maintain, and manage their assets. This system consists of 4 major components. They are asset audit, asset maintenance, asset management, asset mapping. An asset register is a critical module to create, track, and maintain all assets of a university. Registration of an asset plays a crucial role in asset management. Maintenance of an asset is a crucial part of UCAMMS, as maintenance of an asset in UCAMMS is way more unique than the old-school method of supporting an asset. We aim to provide a more vigilant, reliant, user-friendly, and safe interface to streamline and maintain all your assets. UCAMMS ensures reliable, live, and accurate asset location, which simplifies the maintenance process. Explore more about UCAMMS on adyapragnya.com.